We're going to go right into pokeraid. And we're going to hit those 3 slashes on the right, top right. And we're going to filter out any closed or expired raids. Then we're going to scroll the screen down to refresh and find the raid you want to go into. Okay. We're going to hit that button in the middle that says minimize pokeraid and launch Pokemon Go. And I'm going to hit Play Store version for mine. I have 2 Pokemon apps. Okay, so once you enter the room, the trainer's code, the host code is already copied to your clipboard. So you're just going to go in and add them as a friend and send your invite. Now you just hit the pokeraid circle in the top of your screen. And then at the bottom, it has a little button. I went kind of fast. And it says, send friendship request to host. Let them know that you kind of sent the friend request. There we go. Okay, and so I usually heal up my Pokemon while we wait for their friend request to go. If not, if your stuff's already healed, you just kind of wait around. Don't do anything that takes too long because you can miss your raid. I've done that several times where people have added super fast and I've gotten the raids and I've gotten the invites out pretty quick. So there's a friend request accepted. And now we just wait for the invite to go through. Okay. And here's the invite. And you're in. And so that's how you use a new version that they most recently updated. And as you can see, the bubble is still at the top. So once you're done rating, you go ahead and you hit it again. And it's an option on there that says, thank everyone for the raid. You hit that and it closes the bubble out completely. And you're out of that raid group. And you just repeat the process until you get that mon you want, that 100%er or shundo that you're looking for. Thanks for watching. If you go back to my first video, I'll explain in detail how to use pokeraid more thoroughly. Thanks for watching.